Welcome to another episode of Your Weekly Inspiration by your friends at Dynamic Designs. And I am Dynamic Tammy along with
Dynamic Bruce.
Dynamic Jennifer.
All right. And we are here. Our goal here is to inspire you to help build your brand and build your business. That is what we want to do for you. So today we have...
Hey, you changed my name back.
Today we have 3 great products, promotional products for you to help you build your brand. We have 2 upcoming events that we're going to talk about real quickly, and stay with us until the end because we have 4 questions that you need to ask yourself or your company every quarter so that you can help prepare goals for the next quarter so that you can get better in business. And we just finished up with our quarterly meeting, so we're going to share that with you guys at the end. All right, so we're going to start this off, and I think Jennifer, I think we're going to start with you today. You're looking pretty perky over there. So
Yeah, I found some stuff in around work today.
Whoa!
Ooh.
We have some bush lattes.
But it's okay because I have the kit to solve the problem if you drink too much.
Oh, I like it.
So if you're taking back too much White Claw or too much Bush Light or Bruce's Miller 64, which probably takes a little bit longer for it to kick in, I have a hangover kit.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm sure it'd be great for weddings, bachelor parties, bachelorette parties. It'd have to be a pretty big party, but
Golf outings.
Yeah, so it comes in this cute little clear pouch here. And it comes with a variety of items. Let me just pull them out here to show you. So the first item is sunglasses, of course, because light can get bright sometimes. So get some sunglasses, and you can pick these items out in different colors. You don't have to get yellow sunglasses. You can get purple or green or orange. And then next we have a sugar-free 2-ounce 5-hour energy drink.
Ooh.
So if you have a party on a Sunday and you gotta go to work on a Monday, drink this and you'll be ready to go for at least 5 hours. If you're going late, I'm not quite sure. Then it comes with chapstick. Not entirely sure what form chapstick is, but hey, maybe when you drink you get chapped lips.
Unless you passed out and you're in the sun and your lips got all chapped up, it happens.
Sure, Bruce, yes. And I'm sure you can get this. This is aloe vera. It's citrus scent. I'm sure you can get it in a bunch of different colors too. So chapstick. And then you can, I didn't open it, so I'll leave a shot. It's a traveling toothbrush with a little toothpaste container in there. So you're all ready to go with that. And you get a nice imprint on here. All this stuff can be imprinted too. So you can custom imprint on all these items.
Wow.
Except for this last item, I'm sure you can't. It's a 1-pack of like Tylenol. It's non-aspirin pain reliever, fever reducer. So
that's not enough. 1 pack will be enough, Jennifer.
Well, there's 2 of them in here, so I don't know what you guys do, but 2 is probably like what you should be taking. So anyway, so you get all this, 5 items. A minimum quantity is 150 packets or kits, and it's $7.60 a piece. But you get imprinted on 4 out of the 5 items here, and it comes in a nice little kit, and it's so convenient for when you're out partying or like this weekend, maybe the holiday weekend. You might have had too much to drink or something, but you're all covered with this kit.
I like it, Jen. So how many 5 items in one? Is the bag actually, could the bag be imprinted as well?
Let's see here. Yes, it can be. It's with a decal. This one came blank, so it comes with like a decal, maybe like a sticker, I'm guessing, that gets applied on here. So actually, I guess you get 5 items to imprint on out of the 6.
I mean, you could use the bag in case you had really a lot too much and you're not feeling great.
Ooh,
it could use the bag, you know.
Maybe that's what
understand.
that's for. And then you can freshen your breath up with
Yeah.
the toothbrush.
Make sure you empty the bag out first, but
Yeah, don't put it back in it. That's disgusting.
yeah.
I like it. That
Yeah.
what's the item number on that, Jen? Just so our
It's KIT 109 called Hangover Kit.
okay, like it. I like it. Okay,
Good.
we're gonna stay in that kit mode, everybody. And I've got a little kit here for you, and actually it's really kind of nice. You can kind of see here it says Patterson Dental on it. It's a dental pillow pouch. That's what it's called. Look at that imprint. Isn't that nice? Can you
That
see
is nice. That's a big imprint.
That is a big imprint, and it's on both sides. And inside here, we've got a little vitamin E aloe vera thing here. You can see that Patterson Dental is on there too.
That lip balm?
Yep. And then look at this, Bruce. You can floss your teeth.
Oh, always looking for floss.
Yes, especially after corn. It's going to be corn season pretty soon.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and then, and look at this, Jen, another toothbrush.
Yeah.
And a nice little travel case.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste in there. I like it. Travel light. But this could be used simply as a new client gift for, whoops, upside down. Is it still upside down? No, there we go. New client welcome packets. I think you could find a lot of uses for this in the health. Oh, I can't even hold it up straight. In the health industry, that is another kit, and the minimum quantity on that is $150 and $5.35. So you have three items in here. It comes in a nice little kit, and everything, being that it's packaged, it's kind of COVID ready, right? Everything is all packaged up, and I think we're going to see a lot more of this. This is going to be trending with these kits. This could also be, hey, welcome to our business if you got new employees, or if you need to, and a lot of employees are now working from home. And I'm hearing that a lot of them might not even go back to work, that people are going to be working from home. So wouldn't this be a great product right here that you could send to all your employees as a gift? You want to keep that, you want to be able to retain your clients. And if you're not going to have them there at the office with you, make them feel like they are part of the group, right? So $5.35. And like I said, minimum is $150. So we've got two kits. Bruce, you've got a product here. We're going to go right to you next. Can you share with us what you got?
So kind of staying on that COVID kick. So been hearing a lot of things about wearing masks, not wearing masks. Seen some little uptick in customers looking for some masks. So I had some samples brought in. There's so many different options, so many different varieties out there. This is a regular cotton type of mask. They're reusable. That you can use. You can imprint on them.
Can you put that on, please?
Yeah, I can. I think.
You got to now show the proper way to use it too.
Over your nose.
Over your nose. Okay, turn
so
to
kind
the
of
light.
like that, right? So this is a cotton one, but you can reuse, wash, and reuse it. Okay. Have a more of a polyester one here. Has a little different attachments for your ear.
Depending on how big your head is.
That's true.
Or how big your nose is.
This one fits a little tighter, but it's more of a polyester, a little more breathable.
I do have a question for you because we've had some customers ask about it. Can you get child masks? Because
this one actually has two different selections for it. So you can do one for adult, one for a child. It's kind of how it's made.
Okay.
Because some of them you can get use, some of them you can't. Depends on the vendor. So another one, this one kind of takes it a little step further. This actually has a few different layers in it. It has like a dust filter. It has a sweat adhesive, a cool surface. It's water resistant and UV resistant. A little bit more money for these.
So do you buy filters for that one?
Nope, it's all in the mask. Yep. So depending on what you're looking to do, if you're looking to imprint them or blank, I've seen them from $3 to $8 a piece, depending on what you're looking at and how many.
So we could
So
be, oh, I'm sorry, Bruce.
we do have availability. Like I said, this is 3 different vendors. I could probably pick another 15 if you wanted to see them, but they're out there. These are non-medical. They put that on there, non-medical.
non-medical. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
So this is going to be a great product for schools because we've heard that some schools might be requiring, especially with the kids. Possibility, NFL. So if the Packers are watching right now, that could be something that we could help them out with, right?
Yep.
Or any football teams that are out there, any schools that are out there, anything that has big events like that, or just, internally. We have a lot of sales. There's a lot of sales reps that are using them. We had, Matt come in today from Office Technology Group, and he was wearing a mask. So we're going to see a lot of that. So it's just going to be something that might be of the norm, right?
Correct. Yep. So we do have availability and get samples in. If you want to take a look at, try them on and see what they're like, we definitely can do that.
We won't let them try the one you just had on, though.
No, we'll just keep these for myself.
Keep those for yourself.
I do have to show a customer, but I won't let them put them on, but just show the material.
Or just flip them around, Bruce, just like you do with your underwear.
You could, it's a possibility.
Yep. Yeah, that could be something. Okay.
What do I do for the third day?
You backwards.
You stay home.
That's 1, 2. Yeah, I don't know. Okay.
Okay. All right. Second thing we wanted to talk about, 2 upcoming events. Jennifer, what's one of the events?
Upcoming events. There's a live fashion show for ladies only. It's happening July 30th at 3:00 in the afternoon.
All right.
Be there, be square, and we'll have fashion spelled right on the board this time.
That sounds good. All right. And then the other event that we have coming up is going to be July 15th, which is Wednesday. Okay. And we have a Facebook event, building your book of business with Facebook. And it's for businesses, and it's for anyone that wants to build their book and of business. So make sure you go to our website. You can go to our events page and sign up. The show is the fashion show is going to be live on Facebook. So they have to like us on Facebook, right, Jen?
Yeah.
For that, right? Okay. Fourthly,
I'm going to wait. I'll bring donuts for the July 15th deal.
You're going to what?
Bring donuts.
Oh, okay.
For the Facebook business virtual meeting?
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to bring a donut for myself.
You can all imagine eating a donut while the meeting.
Make sure you sign up. Okay. So we just had our quarterly meeting, right, guys?
Yes.
Yep.
And every quarter, the reason we have quarterly meetings is every 90 days, statistics show that you kind of, you fall off the track a little bit, and you just got to get focused back on and get going again. So there's 4 questions that we always ask, right? So Jennifer, what is the first question in business that we need to ask? And we brainstorm. So this is great. Go ahead, Jen. You got it.
What's working?
What's working? Okay, so this is a great
not the beer in your room.
We're not talking about that right now, but what is working? So what we do is we have a big piece of paper, and everybody goes up and writes down what's working. What's the second question, Bruce?
What's not working?
What's not working? Okay, so everybody writes their thing down on that one, and then what's missing is the third one. Bruce, what's the 4th question?
What's confusing?
What's confusing? So, folks, these are the 4 questions that you need to ask yourself in business every quarter, because this is going to help you understand what you need to do to set goals. It maybe to answer or to figure out problems or to troubleshoot. These are 4 great questions that you need to ask, and we do it every single quarter. So take that for what it's worth. It's half the year is already over. If you haven't done a quarterly meeting, make sure you do it. And again, we are Dynamic Designs, offering you inspiration. We had 3 great products today. Everybody hold your products up. Okay. All right. Very good. And so if you have any interest in any of these products, give us a call. Check us out for the fashion show on July 15th. And
30th.
I'm sorry, on July 30th. On July 15th, we have our Facebook show. You can sign up online to get your Zoom link for that. And the 4 questions: what's working, what's not, what's missing, confusing. And if you need any other help or assistance, you give us a call at Dynamic Designs. We are here for you to inspire and help you build your brand. See you next time.
Have a good day.